Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best coolant tester is probably one of the most useful tools you can have in your garage. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast who loves to tinker with your car, this simple device can save you a lot of time, money, and headaches by helping you quickly and easily diagnose problems in your vehicle's cooling system, preventing costly repairs down the line. Using a coolant pressure tester kit is straightforward, and this video will guide you through the process, showing you how to identify leaks, check for pressure, and ensure your car's cooling system is in top condition. Number 5. Prokomon Coolant Tester Kit. This kit makes maintaining your vehicle's cooling system a breeze. It's designed for simple, effective leak testing and coolant changes. It's built with high-quality stainless steel, plastic, and copper for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to withstand the demands of the job. Always remember safety precautions. Let it cool down before opening to avoid burns. This is crucial for your safety. It works with a wide range of vehicles. Check the included compatibility chart to ensure it's right for your car. First, remove your radiator cap. Second, select the correct adapter. Third, attach it and pump to 10 to 15 psi. Fourth, check the gauge for leaks. The kit comes with everything you need: a pressure pump, gauge, thermometer, various adapters, and a handy carrying case. Everything is organized and ready to go. What we like. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, plastic, and copper, ensuring durability. The simple design makes it easy to operate, even for beginners. This kit is compatible with various car brands, making it a versatile option for most car owners. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Does work for BMW E46, hard to figure out from the various descriptions if these things fit these models, but this one does. This is a great little set that will fit almost any coolant cap. The pump is a little bit hard to compress due to the small knob, but it makes finding leaks so easy. It saved me a lot of time and grief. If you have a leaking coolant system on the car, this kit is a must. I had been tracking a leak that was in a weird location, and this kit proved that I needed a new radiator. Not just a hose. I also used it again after paying for a new radiator to ensure that nothing else was leaking. Number 4. ATPEAM Universal Radiator Pressure Tester. This comprehensive kit makes coolant system testing and refilling a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and accuracy, saving you time and frustration. It pressurizes your system to pinpoint leaks quickly. Simply attach it, pump it up, and watch the gauge for pressure drops. The included vacuum refill tool ensures efficient and mess-free coolant changes. It removes air pockets for optimal system performance. It's built with high-quality brass components for corrosion resistance and long-lasting use. The protective case keeps everything organized and safe. This kit fits a wide range of vehicles, domestic and import. The color-coded adapters make finding the right one simple and straightforward. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit: pressure tester, vacuum filler, adapters, hoses, and a storage case. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This kit includes a vacuum refill tool for efficient coolant changes. The large number of adapters ensures compatibility with many vehicles. It helps detect leaks quickly and effectively. If you need a comprehensive kit with vacuum capabilities and wide compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. This 28-piece kit includes everything you need to test and maintain your vehicle's coolant system effectively. The coolant pressure tester helps identify leaks in your radiator, hoses, and other cooling system components, while the vacuum refill tool makes it easier to refill coolant without introducing air bubbles. Designed for use on most vehicles, this kit offers great versatility. Number 3. 28 PCS Radiator Pressure Tester Kit. This comprehensive kit makes testing your radiator system for leaks a breeze. It's designed for both domestic and import vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit. With this kit, identifying leaks in your radiator system is simple and efficient. Say goodbye to frustrating leaks and hello to a properly functioning cooling system. Changing your coolant is now faster and easier than ever before. This kit streamlines the process, saving you valuable time and effort. The color-coded caps make choosing the right one for the job simple and intuitive. No more guesswork, just efficient, accurate testing. It features a specially designed vacuum purge and refill tool for efficient coolant changes. This ensures a complete and thorough system refresh. It includes one more adapter than our 27-piece kit, offering even broader compatibility with various vehicles. It's built to last and perform reliably. This kit provides accurate pressure readings from 0 to 35 psi, giving you precise control and reliable results during testing. What we like. The color-coded caps simplify adapter selection. It comes with a comprehensive set of 28 pieces. This kit fits most domestic and import vehicles. If you value convenience and a complete set, this is the best option. What people say. This thing works great. Yes, you have to swap heads, but if you own more than one car then it is great. I have a 2004 Ford Expedition, and a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. The truck, after doing a coolant fill, I could not purge the air for the life of me, kept getting pockets. I used this to both pressure test engine, to see if it had a head leak, and I filled the whole truck with the vacuum fill feature. I recently had the pleasure of using the exceptional multi-radiator tested kit, and it has exceeded all my expectations in providing a comprehensive and reliable solution for cooling system maintenance. This kit is a must-have for enthusiasts and professionals alike, as it empowers you to unlock the full potential of your radiators while ensuring peak performance and peace of mind. First and foremost, this kit offers a wide range of tools specifically designed to test and maintain radiators. From pressure testers to infrared thermometers, it equips you with everything you need to diagnose and address cooling system issues with precision and accuracy. As far as the kit itself, it's okay. I'm impressed by the large number of adapters this comes with. I previously bought a smaller kit that would not fit my car. This kit does, and it will probably fit your car too unless you have something really odd. The quality is about what I would expect for a generic tool. The adapters are plastic, but they seem pretty tough. Number 2. 18 PCS Radiator Pressure Tester Kit. It helps detect leaks in your radiator system, ensuring efficient coolant changes and preventing costly repairs. This is a must-have for maintaining your vehicle's cooling system. It's made with high-quality aluminum, treated for rust and corrosion protection. The durable rubber and plastic ensure a long service life, providing reliable performance for years to come. The color-coded adapters make selecting the right one quick and easy. No more fumbling around, it simplifies the testing process for various vehicles. The sturdy carrying case keeps everything organized and protected during storage and transport. It makes taking it with you to wherever you need it simple and convenient. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make things right. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. It's multifunctional, allowing for leak detection and efficient coolant changes. The high-quality aluminum and rubber construction ensures durability. The convenient carrying case makes it easy to transport. If you need a durable, portable kit with multiple functions, this is a great choice. What people say. Come with 4 metal radiator cap sizes. On Fit My 92 Datsun item seems great quality, it performed for me without a hitch. I bought this to pressure test my VW T4 van. This pressure tester is actually pretty well made for the price. I had a coolant leak but could not tell from where. The pump could not have been more simple. Just pick the adapter that works for your vehicle and screw it on, then attach the pump and add some pressure. In my case I pumped it up to 15 psi. I looked under the van and could see it dripping from the thermostat housing. I wanted to make sure the leak wasn't coming from the water pump. It did what I needed it to do. Real tight fit. Good seal, pump works great. Tested on 8 different vehicle types, does the job good. Very good material. I thought it would be cheaply made, it was not. Very durable, withstood the rigors of my abuse to test the durability. Number 1. KUNTEC Radiator Pressure Tester. This innovative tool makes detecting cooling system leaks a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and helps prevent costly damage from water leaks. Testing for leaks in your radiator system is now quick and simple. It also makes coolant changes faster, saving you valuable time and energy. It's constructed from high-quality materials like aluminum, rubber, and plastic for durability and long-lasting performance. This ensures it can withstand the demands of regular use. With 8 radiator cap adapters, it's compatible with a wide range of domestic and import vehicles. It accurately tests pressure from 0 to 35 psi. The large pump capacity minimizes the number of strokes needed to pressurize the system. The self-locking components and thumb-operated valve add to its user-friendly design. Prevent costly repairs by catching leaks early. This tester is a worthwhile investment for vehicle maintenance. What we like. It features a large volume pump, reducing the number of strokes needed. The self-locking components ensure a secure connection. The user-friendly design makes it simple to operate. If you prefer a kit with a powerful pump and easy-to-use features, this is the one for you. What people say. I liked how easy it was to use. This is a great cooling system pressure tester. This is really worth the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.